Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video yemaphoyisa leseculator-ko lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana la bonakala khona babanathisa something le bantu bakholelwa ukuthi noma kungathiwani ijwala lobu. So bantu abaningi they were really disappointed after seeing that video, bathi amaphoyisa kananjani. This is why bantu bangawa-respect because now watihloniphi. So some people are saying ukuthi noma ngabe kungasiwo utshwala lolu ababunathako, this is not allowed. Ugqoke i-uniform yemsebenzi while ukujuthi and bonke babona ukuthi abadonsana njengethishu lemandi, no one is cutting lomunye badendela nje. So people felt ukuthi this is really embarrassing and disappointing. Some people are saying ukuthi kuhlala South Africa nje kukodwa kwi-embarrassment nje, because what is this? Uthi lona SAPS is so strict. Even if he was at a party and holding a red carpet, there's a pesque repercussions hebana bazosibhala singisi umuntu. The unemployment contract stripes them of so many rights when they are on shoot. Kumatima. So people are saying if this is really alcohol, itobakhomba mkhwanazi utobakhomba mkhwanazi. Uthi KZN Butiza akamkhuzi ngani umadala ngoba mdala. Uthi Shelly, police interacting with the community is better. Give praise where praise is due. Uthi user alcohol or not, this is disrespect of the uniform. Uthi Kosiena, that's why citizens has no respect for them. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.